there.
Oh.
Good. Nope. No, we gotta.
Hello. This is the handcuff challenge. These are, as you can see, strong bonds, 2 chains, so they can't be broken.
Yeah.
Not at all. And we're in a big store, so it's kind of like
Interesting.
we've already gotten all kinds of looks.
We got several at Walmart over here.
Yeah. We've gotten looks. Now we're just kind of walking around. It's really, the challenge isn't hard. It's just it's not really hard. It's just really stressful.
Oh, exciting news. Sorry. Exciting news.
So this is the second video, right?
Yeah, well, we actually
It's blurry.
What's up, guys? We are handcuffed right now.
Handcuff challenge. I don't think a lot of people have done this, probably because it's so embarrassing. But you know, we're the type of people who do it.
I know, people are looking
Just for the fun of
at
it.
us like we're crazy.
Look at these people, they're weird. Weirdies.
That's how you know you're true friends.
Like we said in part 1, if you do need ideas,
Yeah.
anything, Instagram or on YouTube
Yeah.
in the comments. We really
And Ethan is on another
Really need
YouTube
it.
channel. It's in the description of it's called Hodge and Podge on Bryce Blevins' channel. Please go
watch.
check that out. Very
We have
funny,
a
very
trailer,
interesting.
First episode and our first real episode that just came out. It's pretty good. I mean,
People are staring at us because we're talking to our phones. So they're
pretty good. I mean,
yeah.
if it's that kind of, if you like that, you know, if you laugh at, you know, that kind of stuff, you know,
Ow!
then we just gotta be used. That was illegal.
Yep.
But yeah, if you like that kind of humor and that's your kind of thing, it's pretty good.
Hi guys.
Pretty good stuff.
Yeah. So, part 1 was at our house when we told them what we were doing. Then part 2 is us walking around seeing us. Part 3 is on the way home, us eating.
Us eating, yeah,
Yeah.
on the way home.
So,
Telling you what we got, and
we
then tell us when we get our food. We're gonna ask you what you like from there.
yeah,
See if you
we're
guys
gonna
food from
yeah.
there or not.
Okay.
Give it a good thumbs up for
we-
this video because this stuff tastes good.
I think we're going to Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, we might be going to
We might be
Chick-fil-A.
going
So,
to Chick-fil-A.
hard telling.
That's the idea.
yeah. So, we're gonna walk around, try to do some stuff and see what people say. And look,
Yeah.
okay, peace.
See ya, third one.